I'm Rylie, and I'm Rylie. And today we're going to cut open things. We've got two things, but they're going to be hard to cut open. And this is what I'm cutting open.
And I'm cutting open this monkey.
This precious baby.
So you can go first.
First, you have to stab it in her neck.
Oh, my God, be careful.
If you need to, you're giving her a red mark. I have an idea.
So I'm going to take off her clothes, actually. And then I'm going to slice
I'm going to cut open her butt.
It didn't work. First, I'm going to take off her clothes and use the knife to slice open her hand, or her belly. Be warned, but she's only a baby doll.
It's not a real baby.
We aren't like that. So, knife,
You said belly,
stomach,
not back.
I know, flip her over.
And I'll also cut.
I made a little slit. This seems to be very thick material. Oh, I made a rip. Perfect. Scissors, please. Thank you. And now I'm taking the scissors and slicing open her clothing.
Clothing.
Oh, I got it. And it's very stuffed inside.
Stuffing whoever made
So
this.
that's her inside. Here, okay. And now,
Time for her.
so this is her. And
Time
now
for her
we're
head.
going right
Wait,
into
I have
her
an idea.
neck.
There's this hole right here.
Nope. And now I'm going into her neck.
Jab it.
This isn't working.
Adults should watch if you do this at home.
And we do have an adult watching. We just don't want to show her face. Oh, I got in her ear. So, if you could tell, her
have an
ear
idea.
is the softest place, and so I'm in her ear,
Have her leg.
and
Careful, it's a
I'm just
sharp
gonna
knife.
hack her leg off.
I don't trust
You should. I'm your best friend.
you. Okay.
I'm actually gonna go for the fingers.
Okay.
No, toes first.
Can I try after?
Feet first, always. And there it is.
Rip it off. And she is hollow inside her feet, apparently.
Yes.
So if you
And
would
then-
like to buy some toes, here you
So
go.
comment down below and put your budget.
That you would pay for these toes.
And so now I'm going on to the ankle.
This is fun.
Just slice open. Ew, I just heard a nasty noise.
Yes, I hate it.
So here's her foot. Toeless, of course.
You
That's
can buy
the only
this
way
too.
to do it. Now I'm just gonna hack away her entire leg. No, boring. Let's go back to the toes.
I want to try
And
after.
this time we're gonna chop off this entire foot.
Creepy.
And this might be a nasty noise. If you don't like nasty noises, click off now because this is all this is right now.
We heard a very much nasty noise.
Oh, good, it's gonna get me. Okay.
My
So-
turn.
No, I'm doing a hand.
I really like playing with toes, so this would be a good toy.
If your baby likes body parts, do this, please.
And then he can bite on
And
his foot.
April Fool's is coming up, so we're keeping all this stuff
You can bite
to
after.
scare the poop out of our sisters, just like we did with Hetty.
If you don't know her, well,
Watch our first video. You still have her? Yeah. Her leg is creepy. Her leg is more.
I want to try to do the head.
You could do the other hand.
I wanna
I'm doing the head.
If you want stuffing, there you go.
comment down below. It has to be over $400.
No.
Just so you know.
Not over 4. I lost her foot. Okay, there we go.
That sounds really bad. And I'm hoping Marilyn's cameras are on. What's this, Marilyn? And then there's her hand. And now I'm getting her head and then you can do it.
Stop like her brain.
Okay.
Oh, careful.
So I'm strangling her with my hand.
She's already dead.
Open her head. Oh, I'm getting a slit.
That sounds creepy.
She's gonna look very hot and spicy after this, because it'll only be, none of her limbs will be on. And then my good best friend will be cutting off her arms, hopefully, if we ever get to that.
Let me cut off the arms right now. Okay. So this is my creepy baby that I have.
Now we are not murderers, so if you try calling 911, it won't do any good, because you have no footage. Kind of. Don't do that. You have to saw.
Okay, I'll cut off the arms. Seems easier. There we go. One off. Now leg. So now she only has one arm and one leg. And now
She's cutting off the limbs, and I'll chop off the head. Now, he looks like Brad. Okay, so now that the head is here, hand me a pair of scissors.
Look. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close into her head.
And then here's the close-up of her limbs. Here. She needs a bath. But
I don't want to close up of her butt.
there. Okay, now we're taking
You're
this.
sitting on her leg.
I don't care, it's comfortable. Then we're hacking her head away from her clothing.
And then stab inside her head.
I will. Now, if you could see, she was very stupid because she has
No brain.
no brain. Now, do you see that? Yeah. And then you go like this, and you murder her face. Then, where's the knife? Here it is.
Don't hurt me.
Cut
Her nose off. Don't do that. It's very hollow. Because she's really, really, really stupid. I'm going to start with the monkeys. Okay. So I'm going to cut off the arms.
Don't mind me. I will show you it once I peel off her forehead.
That's disgusting.
I know. So her eyebrows need some trimming.
Apparently.
So I cut a gash into her forehead, and here is her little skin.
And by the way, whoever made this monkey sews a lot because I cut off the arms and stuff and I never got to the stuffing inside yet.
And just so you know, if you made these, make better products, because there's a reason we're chopping these things. I will. So now I'm just slicing to her.
I think it's just fur around it because I'm not getting into the inside.
I've gotten a slit.
In her neck.
Yep.
So she's basically dead.
Well, she's already dead.
I got to the stuffing finally.
I'm getting to her chin.
This is really weak because I'm ripping it. And here's some more stuffing. It's different than the doll stuffing, as you can feel.
Ew. Okay.
Yeah, the monkey stuffing is disgusting. So that's my
As you
monkey.
can see, I'm prying off her neck. Guilty pleasures.
What does that a big lump.
They're her cheeks.
Oh.
Or her eyes. I don't know. But can you see in there? That is just downright creepy.
I'm cutting off the
It's a-
head because I feel like it's really fun. I'm cutting off her mustache. Well, it looks like it's a
Mustache.
mustache.
So.
I'm cutting off the eyes and it's basically working.
And I would want to know your face.
So I'm getting into her lip area.
She was just like,
Oh, I got her
She was
nose
just like this.
cut.
as you can see, she has a bad nose. It's all foamy stuff inside.
That's my monkey.
Hopefully they don't come back.
Okay. Here's the necking part if you want to buy it.
So here's her head. She has a backwards mouth. And I'm just gonna open it.
Can I feel it?
Just a second.
I want half.
Now this is surgery. You can get half of it.
Okay.
I'm gonna hang it on my wall.
Okay, I will too.
We'll hang it by our LBT poster.
Yeah.
Look it.
Let me see. I want to do the rest. I want to do the
Wait,
other.
wait. Oh, poor baby.
How long is this?
This is a very good example being at my best friend's house. Now, William and Sean,
Never try this.
we have adult supervision. You ready for a nastiness?
I'll just rip. We'll do tug of war.
Set, go. Hey! Ready, set, go.
So I have half the head that'll hang
I
on
have
my wall of memories.
See? And if you can tell, this goes along perfect with our I know, yeah. Because I have this side of the head.
I have this
And
side.
it goes a little like this. I know.